In this video, let's quickly dive into the way that you can fix the WhatsApp microphone problem. If you're having issues with the microphone on your WhatsApp, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the microphone has access inside of your WhatsApp. So to do that, just tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to the eye icon from the settings, head over to permissions, and make sure that the inside of microphone it is set to allow. If this is set to don't allow, then this is the exact issue that you are facing. Now in your case, if this is not the issue with you, the other thing that you can also try to restart your phone. Sometimes your phone glitches and these sort of minor issues happen, so just tap and hold the power button on your phone and try to restart it. What you'll also need to ensure is that you have the latest version, so just head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for WhatsApp, and if you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue. Now apart from this, what you can also try is try to uninstall the WhatsApp from your phone and then again re-download it. Once you follow these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp microphone problem. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.